safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart beat. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to deal with making you bleed. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I've done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been skipping, that's how I control this feeling. You keep skipping, you keep moving it, ooh, oh. It's your love, it's so good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, made me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. I'm cool when now you hating, but I act a fool when I don't need it. And I say these bruising just to save this, but I tripped on your love, now I'm addicted. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't tryna waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I've been tripping, I'm tripping, I've been sipping, that's how I control this feeling. You keep tripping, you keep moving it, ooh, oh. It's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, make me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. That is some kind of love, baby. Drip. That is the type of love, baby. Tripping on you. It's big enough, baby. Drip. It's big enough, got me tripping on you. I've been tripping, I'm tripping, I've been sipping, that's how I control this feeling. You keep skipping, you keep moving it, ooh, oh. It's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, make me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you.
Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you don't know. Baby, I took a half, she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this night? Tired of being your bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. You ain't getting up in the crib, I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga's house in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I ride in with somebody, it must be a big relapse, baby. that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, I wouldn't regret it. Never even dead, and now they won't get it. Yeah. All this still beating, my niggas still eat it. Can't give it a let it go and they eat it. Hello, talk better, spilling the tea. And Shorty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. When they had it, they were like, damn, baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Young rich niggas. You know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though.
Youngster.
Raindrops. Drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, grip the trick. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Call me a river, get you with this shit. It's bad and lose, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and lose, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. I'm back and I'm riding around in a coupe. I take your bitch right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Beat the whole walls. Hop in the fall. I tell that bitch to come for me. I swear these niggas is under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. Barrels on me, keep me company. Hey, we did the most. Yeah, pull up and goes. Yeah, my diamonds are choker. Holding up fire with no holster. With the ruler, diamond cooler. Just a roll it out of me. Dabbing on them like the usual. Magic with the brick of rule. Courtside with a bad bitch. Then I send the bitch to Uber. I'm young and rich and plus I'm bougie. I still so I keep the Uzi. Records on records, get back as I'm back as I'm my back. You niggas got a low act rate. Breaking off that cookie blunt in the ashtray. You bitches got some smash day. Hop in the limb, have a drag race. I let the birds take a bath bag. Raindrops. Cooking the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking the dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't know nobody grip the trick. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Call me a river.
Hey. Whoa. Hey. Yo. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one virtual, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Yeah, I got one lawyer, got one in that day, the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted to stop home, it's me, the house, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, easy and handed it up. I still got no fumbles, I'm on a hot 100, numero uno. This one ain't come with a bundle, I'm in the win, $1 million in and chocolate chips. And that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the seats, but there's no need to dress up the numbers. Hey, yeah, but I guess they must have their reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you?
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, 'cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you, 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 but I want you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I it's lost and hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, which we never did.
Alright you guys, so this is officially the finished look and I think this is so beautiful. I absolutely love this, like the whole look, the color, everything. I am in love with it. So this is a highlighted unit, as you guys can see. It's like a chocolate brown with these like subtle highlights in it. It's nothing like too crazy, but I absolutely love the highlights that are in here. They're very like natural looking and it's different from like some of the other highlighted units that I've seen. And you guys, this is actually a T-part lace front unit, meaning that there's only space around the perimeter and then in the center part for a part. But even with that being said, this unit is still very beautiful and I absolutely love it. I would like to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Binf Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. I think it is absolutely gorgeous, you guys, and definitely perfect for this time of year. You know, the holiday season is coming up and this definitely gives like holiday party vibe. I can definitely see myself wearing this type of look for like Thanksgiving or something like that. I did curl my hair using the Conair Infinity Pro. This is one of my favorite curling irons. This thing is amazing and it basically allows you to curl your hair a lot faster and you get to do bigger sections. So I really like this and this is perfect for this type of look. So as far as the specs on this unit, I'm not sure of the length on this unit, but I would say this is probably about like a 24 inch. I think it's about like a 24 inch or so. This is probably about 150% density as well. But keep in mind that I did cut some hair off using this razor. This is going to be a lifesaver for you if you are going to be doing this hairstyle and you want to add layers to your hair. This allows you to do it very quickly and it's literally like a comb. It's literally like a comb like this, but it's a razor comb. So this is amazing. It's gonna help you get these really beautiful curls like this, and they're just so like voluminous, you know what I mean? Like, it's not stiff anywhere. It's just really, really pretty, and I feel like so far already. I feel so beautiful right now. I honestly do. And I've like discovered like I actually like my hair like this. I think I might wear like this particular unit and this wig this fall. And typically I don't really like T-part units, like I really don't, but I really like this unit for the fall, and I think it complements my skin tone very well. It's something that definitely adds some color into your life without doing too much. It's work appropriate, interview appropriate, holiday season appropriate. Like, it's just the perfect unit. This is the look that I came up with today, you guys, and I hope you guys really enjoy it. If you did, let me know by liking this video. Drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on today's look. If you've ever tried Binf Hair before, let me know what your experience was. And I will say that I have worked with them in the past. I do like their hair. It's very comparable to a lot of like the leading hair companies. So that's one thing that I will say about it. They do have really good hair. It's not a bunch of flyaways everywhere. The hair is very, very smooth and just like silky and just beautiful, you guys. I absolutely love it. So if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there is something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Binf Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sitting over this beautiful unit. I absolutely love it, and I know you guys will too. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.